Okay, let's talk about the camera setting here. First thing first is aspect ratio of the scene. You can change it from here. This one, you can see just it's render this area, this one, or I prefer something like this to render that. And after that, you can change your output in the render setting. If you hit render, you can see, you can change it here. If you want, you can keep some properties or not, or change it whatever you want. But for seeing there in a camera, you can see that. A field of view, for example, you are inside of them and you can, you want to see more, you can open field of view with a lower, with a higher number. You can see. But if you open the field of view, be careful about the distortion at these areas. For example, we insert higher number, you can see better, but we have distortion here. Okay, this is, I think, nice for field of view. Distance, you can see, you can change the distance here. You can change the rotation with these two number, you can see. And the target XYZ, this is until this tool, the pivot point of the rotation. You can see, you can change it with this number in the Y, X, or Z. And you can see the number here, Z near, Z far. It means if you going near, and in this centimeter, 1 centimeter, it stop. It does not go inside, or it does not allow you go lots of far from objects. Okay, you can type any number here. Depth of field. For creating depth of field, it means we have an object in the focus and other object will be blur. This is a field of view. It tells you, okay, use Control Alt click to focus. First thing first, for seeing that, this is open. If you go to view, you can see we have a driver, OpenGL preview. It's very fast. But for seeing depth of field, you have to go to the final render. This button here, switching between these two views. Ray tracing preview or OpenGL. Just click. This is a final render. You can see it, this noisy or disappear, render to going for final render. Okay, you can turn on field of view with control click on this object, control alt click. You can see the distance set here, and other objects will be blurred based on aperture size. If you make aperture size bigger, you can see that these are blur and more blur, and this is in focus. But if you want to this object in focus, control alt, just click on that. You can see the distance will be changed. This object at the front will be at blur, not focus, and here is not focused, or just focus in this object. So this is a depth of field. It's make it nice. Okay, for example, control click again on this, and other object will be blur, and this object will be in the focus. This is depth of field. So you can just see it in a ray tracing render engine, and it's rendering to final render, or you can go directly from there. Okay, that's it. Switching to OpenGL preview, just for simply previewing our image. This is actual final render. Ray tracing preview, OpenGL preview.